Alright friends, in this session we will learn how to create multiple objects from a single class. We have student class, so I want to create multiple objects. So what's an object? Object is an instance of that class. So I will create two objects. So let's do it. I have student1 and that's instance of that class. So I need to copy these and then paste here. I create student2. So these are different objects and each object have different values for its properties. Let's do it. I created them and then what I need to do? I need to assign different values, different property values for this. I assign student1 properties and then I need to assign student2 properties. It can be John, 33 and Matt. I assign it differently. So if I want to print it, I can say first student name and then first. I copy this and paste at the beginning of these strings. And then I copy this and I paste here. I say second student name. I copy this. I paste here. If I run it, you see right now. It's my first student name, first student age, first student lesson, and it's my second student name, second student age, and second student lesson. Super. As you see, you can create as many objects as you want from the same class, and each object stores its own data independently. Each object you see represents a unique entity. Super. See you in the next lesson.